we have seen information that has been put out by the U.S. Administration regarding certain USAID activities and funding. These are obviously very deeply troubling. This has led to concerns about foreign interference in India's internal affairs. Relevant departments and agencies are looking into this matter. It would be premature to make a public comment at this stage. So, relevant authorities are looking into this matter, and hopefully we can come up with an update on that subsequently. अमेरिकी सरकार की तरफ से, उनके एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की तरफ से ये खुलासा किया गया है कि कुछ यूएसएड की एक्टिविटीज और फंडिंग के बारे में ये जो खुलासा किया गया है ये कंसर्निंग है, ट्रबलिंग है, और इसको लेके काफी सारी चिंताएं हैं फॉरेन इंटरफेरेंस को लेके भारत के अपने अंदरूनी मामले में। हमारे यहाँ जो एजेंसीज हैं, डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं जो इस मामले में काम करते हैं, कार्यरत हैं, वो इस मुद्दे पर और छानबीन कर रहे हैं और काम कर रहे हैं, और इस वक्त इस समय इस मुद्दे पे कोई भी पब्लिक कमेंट या घोषणा करना मेरे समझ से समयोचित नहीं होगा। Rishabh, on your question regarding Bangladesh, first question was regarding whether SAARC came up for discussion or not. Yes, the matter was brought up by the Bangladesh side in External Affairs meeting. When EM met with Bangladesh foreign advisor in Muscat, everyone in South Asia is aware of which country and what activities are responsible for stymieing SAARC. EM conveyed that it is important that Bangladesh should not normalize terrorism. Regarding a second question about the comments being made by certain advisors and what sort of impact it will have on our dealings, yes, we have taken note of such remarks, which are of course not helpful. It is for the concerned individuals to reflect on implications for their particular domain. So that is how I would like to answer your question. Siddhant, on the meeting with the Chinese foreign minister, just a while ago, we had this meeting on the sidelines of the G20 foreign ministers meeting in Johannesburg. External Affairs Minister and Chinese foreign minister, His Excellency Wang Yi, met on the sidelines of G20. The meeting lasted for about 30 minutes. The two ministers reviewed developments in our bilateral relationship since their last meeting in November, specifically the management of peace and tranquility in border areas, Kailash Mansarovar Yatra resumption, trans-border rivers, flight connectivity, and travel facilitation were discussed. There was also an exchange of views on G20 and SCO. So that is to give you a readout of the foreign ministers, external affairs ministers meeting with the Chinese foreign minister. In addition, we have put out his opening remarks, which are there available in the public domain. So I would refer you to them. मुकेश जी, देखिए, यूएसएड के मुद्दे पे जो मुझे कहना था, मैंने आपको उससे अवगत कराया है, और ये बताया है कि बहुत सारे भारतीय सरकार में इकाई हैं जो इस पे यूएसएड के साथ काम करती हैं। वो कई एक मंत्रालय हैं, तो जितने भी इससे संबंधित मंत्रालय और जो एजेंसीज काम कर रहे हैं वो इस मुद्दे को अभी देख रहे हैं। तो जब एक अपडेट हमारे पास आएगा तो आपसे हम साझा करेंगे।